Get ready for an exciting review of GlocalMe UniCord mobile hotspot charging cable and GlocalMe RoamPlug universal adapter. These innovative devices are designed to keep travelers connected and powered up no matter where they are. With seamless global internet and versatile charging options, these gadgets are game changers for anyone who needs reliable connectivity and power on the go. Let's explore what makes them must-haves for travel enthusiasts. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. GlocalMe RoamPlug Universal Adapter is designed to be the perfect travel companion, combining a universal adapter, a 70-watt charger, and a global 4G mobile hotspot all in one. This makes it an ideal solution for those who need to stay connected across multiple countries. RoamPlug provides seamless internet access in 200 plus countries through CloudSIM technology, meaning no SIM cards or contracts are needed. Whether it's for business or leisure travel, the convenience of having internet and power in one device cannot be overstated. RoamPlug brings a lot of power to the table with 70-watt fast charging and a combination of 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. It allows for the simultaneous charging of multiple devices like laptops, smartphones, and tablets, making it an ideal choice for people with multiple gadgets. The high power output ensures that even power-hungry devices can charge quickly and efficiently, from quick airport stops to long journeys. RoamPlug ensures that essential devices stay powered up without the hassle of multiple chargers. GlocalMe RoamPlug Universal Travel Adapter's global Wi-Fi capability is a standout feature. It provides internet access in over 200 countries without needing local SIM cards or long-term contracts. CloudSIM technology enables a seamless connection to available networks, making RoamPlug perfect for frequent travelers. It supports up to 2 devices simultaneously, allowing access to fast, reliable internet no matter the location. This can be especially useful when crossing borders frequently or staying in remote areas where regular Wi-Fi may not be available. Despite its extensive capabilities, RoamPlug remains compact and highly portable. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and works with 150 plus countries' power sockets, including United States, European Union, United Kingdom, and Australian adapters. This versatility makes it essential for those who need flexibility and reliability in their travel gear. Its design also ensures that multiple devices can be charged without compromising on power or speed, all while keeping the travel bag light and organized. GlocalMe UniCord mobile hotspot charging cable is not just for charging. It's a 65-watt fast charging cable, a global mobile hotspot, and a data transfer cable all in one. Whether charging smartphones, laptops, or tablets, this cable provides efficient performance with a 1 meter length, offering flexibility and portability in any travel setup. With CloudSIM technology, GlocalMe UniCord offers 4G internet in over 200 countries, supporting 350 plus networks. There's no need for a physical SIM card, making it perfect for travelers who need an emergency global 4G Wi-Fi mobile hotspot on the go. It's ready to connect instantly, allowing easy plug-and-play functionality. This mobile hotspot feature supports 2 devices simultaneously, allowing quick internet sharing between gadgets. It's ideal for situations where multiple devices need connectivity, whether for work or leisure. Plus, With SIM-free operation, there is no hassle of changing SIM cards in different regions. Despite its multifunctionality, GlocalMe UniCord remains lightweight and compact. It's an essential tool for travelers who need charging, internet access, and data transfer in one sleek package. With some packages offering 1 GB of free global data, it's ready for immediate use without needing an upfront data plan purchase. Well, there is a GlocalMe companion mobile application which supports both UniCord mobile hotspot charging cable and GlocalMe RoamPlug universal adapter, offering enhanced control over data and network settings. The application provides real-time data tracking, allowing easy monitoring of data usage across multiple countries. It also enables users to purchase additional data plans directly within the application, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. The intuitive interface supports virtual SIM management, simplifying network switching for uninterrupted connectivity while traveling, ensuring seamless and efficient internet access at any time. Well, that's all about these two innovative gadgets. I have left the links of these two innovative and interesting gadgets in the description box. Go ahead, check the products. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.